Hi, this is Raquel, and I'm going to be doing another tutorial on how to build balloon bouquets online. So this time we're going to do different sizes of balloons. We're going to do some 11-inch and 16-inch. So I'm going to go ahead and go here to Insert Pictures, and I have a file on here called latex, and I have a number of balloons that, a number of pictures of just some balloons. So alright, let's go with this Caribbean, and let's go with the zebra wildberry just for demonstration purposes. So well, since we're here, you saw that it showed up over here outside of the space. If that doesn't happen for you, this is actually an option within Publisher. You can click on View and you can click Scratch Area. If I turn that off, the images that are out here aren't seen. You have to actually drag them into the workspace. So if you have things that you know are here and you don't see them, go ahead and go to View and click on Scratch Area, and that will help. That'll make them show up. Okay, so I've got my two balloons, and I know I've got a white background on them, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the background. You can see that it's gone now. When it was over here, you could see the background, so let's go ahead and make those go away. And I know these are balloons that are the same size. Okay, so working with them would not be difficult, but let's say I wanted to go with a 16-inch Caribbean blue. Well, how big am I supposed to make that? How do I know? Is it about that? Is it, you know, I don't know. So I found that Pioneer Balloon Company on the Qualitex website, here let me close this and start over for you. On the Qualitex website, they have under Product Information Online Catalogs, you can go to the catalog and you can actually scroll through their catalog, and I happen to know that on page 44 they have a picture of the relative sizes of the balloons. So on my computer, if I hit Control Print Screen, it's going to print my screen, and then I can go over here, right click, and paste it. Okay, so there it is. I have two screens that I get to work with. I love having the two screens. So I'm going to go ahead and crop this down. So that's what we're looking at. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and enlarge in that. So now I've got the relative sizes here. I'm going to move my, get a little organized here in my workspace. Okay, so now what I can do is I can go ahead and shrink my 11-inch balloon down to about that size, right? Oop, it disappeared. So I'm going to click on my Bring It Forward button. Now it's forward. And I'm going to do the same thing with my 16-inch balloon. It went to the background, so I'm going to click forward. And I'm going to go ahead and size it until it's about the right size. And look at that. So now my balloons are relatively scaled to each other. So now I can go ahead and build a bouquet with a 16-inch, let's say a 16-inch latex topper. I've got my zebra balloon selected right now, so I can do a Control C and a Control P, and I can start building my bouquet. And I'm just Control V for pasting more options. Let's say I'm going to do a bouquet of 7 balloons. I want to do 11 or layers of 3, let's say. So I'm going to send that one back. Whoops, back rock. There we go. Okay, so there's your bouquet. Okay, and you can fuss with this all you want. I'm going to select 3 balloons, so I'm going to select the first one. I'm going to hold my Shift key down, and I'm going to select the other 3, and then using my arrow keys, I can shift these down or up or wherever I want to go until I'm happy with it. Okay, so that's a way to scale your balloons that I have found really helpful. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email is contact@balloonsplendor.com. Here, I'll show you. You can insert a text. We can make it nice and big. Whoops. That's my email address.